bandits the 100 million naira ransom to free the students before it's too late. Sheikh Gumi slaps CBN. You see, when people were demanding for the arrest of Sheikh Gumi, I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything for a reason. For a reason. Because I chose to still give him some observations. You understand? Beginning with his negotiation and also the payment he took to the bandits. You see, but with the way things are going, after that negotiation he made, and still paid them that money, claiming and telling Nigerians that these people are going to surrender their arms. I began to suspect a foul play. After that payment, up to three consecutive times, these criminals has come to kidnap the youth again. That is it. They've come to kidnap the youth again, up to 3 times. Aside from this very one that they just did to this Greenfield student. And this Greenfield university students, I think they are demanding for 100 million. And from this broadcast, we are told that Gumi is demanding that CBN should release the 100 million for these students to be released. How are we not sure that this Gumi doesn't know anything about this that is happening? Someone that eats and dines with the bandits, that sits with the bandits, that knows where they are, where to meet them, and where to contact them. How did he got to know their numbers? He deserves to be arrested. When everything Melafia said about this country, Nigerian, about a northern leader being behind the sponsoring of these Boko people, everything is just surfacing. Everything is just surfacing. Yes. Don't you know? Can't you see them? Can't you see them yourself? They are all surfacing. We are just, they're fooling ourselves around. Refusing to see the truth. Why the truth is before us. This is what one of the students have just said now. You heard them speak. He said, these people are armed. They have the same weapons the Nigerian army has. They have the walkie-talkie, they have the AK-47, they have the knives, everything. They are loaded. And now, you're supposed to ask yourself, how are they getting this? If not from their sponsors. Because they can't go to the market to buy these things. They can't. That is the truth. They can't. So this is absolutely crazy, and there is need for immediate action. Okay, let's hear what the youth have got to say about all that has transpired. Sheikh Ahmad Gumi wants the CBN to pay the 100 million ransom being demanded by the bandits before Greenfield University students are released. The popular Islamic cleric says the Apex Bank should provide the money on time before it's too late, suggesting the bandits might harm the students. Sheikh Gumi also lamented that Boko people groups are already infiltrating the ranks of the bandits in their various camps across the country. An Islamic cleric, Sheikh Ahmad Gumi, on Tuesday, May 4th, urged the Central Bank of Nigeria to pay the 100 million ransom before demanded by the kidnappers of Greenfield University students in Kaduna State. Gumi, who has been at the forefront of championing amnesty for the Boko people, said the federal government must not take the threat by the kidnappers lightly. Gumi was reacting to the comment of a parent of one of the abductees who lamented that the kidnappers were insisting on a ransom of 100 million before their wards are safely released to them. Meanwhile, some Nigerians have been reacting to the latest comments on the Islamic cleric concerning the bandits. What do you think that the people are going to say? Many will go against it. Many will go against it because it is crazy. They have turned this country to a source of income. Kidnapping in Nigeria is now a lucrative business. It's not a lucrative business. They don't mind what the people will say or do. Where we are busy saying they are going to surrender, they are getting worse. The money we are giving them, they are using it to get themselves armed more and get themselves more professionalized. How dare you think that a bandit will surrender when he is getting such millions? How are we fooling ourselves like this? Why have we allowed ourselves to be deceived? Why? By someone who claim to be a cleric? Bullshit. Let's help ourselves. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Gumi is not telling us the truth. He hasn't told us the truth. And don't forget, Gumi is one time a military leader. He knows the nooks and crannies of all of these things. And the military are the most secretive people. I tell you, are the most secretive people we have. If you want to know the secret of this country, meet a military man. He will give you the gist. Do you understand? He will give you the gist. They are everywhere. Do you understand? They are everywhere. Look at what the boy said. That they moved them in batches. It means that everything has been planned out already. Mercy, mercy, mercy. My dear viewers, are we safe? Are we safe? Let me hear from you and know what you as a person equally have to say about this. If you're new, don't forget to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.